Here I need to add a function that is called oneOf that will reference the password, this password. So that's why we will write yup.ref password, and if it is not matching I need to show this message that please enter the same password. So right now I think we are done with the validation. I've noticed right here that we need to have different values. We do not have email and password only, we have name, email and password. And what does this map props to values do is that it initiate the values for the form, and it could use the props that is passed from the parent. So what is the parent of this enhanced signup form? The parents of this enhanced signup form is the signup route. So as you could see, the signup route has the enhanced signup form child, and it could actually pass here any prop. Okay, so it could pass anything right here. And these props will be used, could be used here. Okay, so currently we're not passing any props, and we need to have the form blank. We don't need to have any values. So let us add all values as empty. Currently I am seeing an error with yup right here. When I searched for this error, I found that this is a bug actually in the package called yup. I've just copy pasted this error in Google, and in one of the GitHub threads was this one, and it said that rolling back to this version actually solved the problem. So let us do this together. So we could first uninstall yup, npm uninstall yup, then we could install yup again, but at a fixed version, which is this one. We could also just save this file again and check if the error is existing. It is still existing, so we could close this and npm start again. Okay, let us check that the validation is actually correct. So currently there is no validation for the name, but all of the other validation are actually working as expected. So if we wrote a correct password, this error should go away. The same thing with an email, and the same thing should occur for the confirmed password if we wrote a similar password. Let us actually have a minimum name of 3 characters and a maximum of 20 characters. So we could have a maximum of 20, and the error message should be name is so huge. And here we could have an error message of name is tiny. Let us check if this will work. So this is actually not working. So I noticed that we did not add the error message for the name here as we have done for the email. So we could just copy paste this and add it here, but instead of email we will just use name. So it is working now. So for now we need to prepare this handle submit function that will occur after the user fills the form and clicks the submit button. What we need to do in this function is call the API on the backend that is called signup.